An Oval Office meeting between US President Donald Trump and his Ukrainian counterpart, Volodymyr Zelenskyy, devolves into a shouting match as Trump threatens, "You're either going to make a deal or we're out." Zelenskyy leaves the White House abruptly without signing a much-touted minerals deal, but declines to apologize for the blow-up. He says he regrets the public spat and wants Trump to be more on Ukraine's side. Trump says the Ukrainian leader disrespected the US and overplayed his hand. Hours after the fiery meeting, Zelenskyy told us media he had nothing to apologize for and still respects Trump but wants him to be more on Ukraine's side. Leaders across Europe and the West expressed support for Zelenskyy after the heated exchange, saying they stand with the Ukrainian president and his people. Zelenskyy says very important Ukraine is heard and not forgotten. In a new post on Telegram, the Ukrainian president says it is very important that his country's plight is heard and nobody forgets about it. It is important for people in Ukraine to know that they are not alone, that their interests are represented in every country, in every corner of the world, Zelenskyy said. Many Ukrainians have rallied around Zelenskyy after the blowout with Trump and Vance, expressing a sense that the Ukrainian president has stood up for their country's dignity and interests by firmly maintaining his stance in the face of chiding from some of the world's most powerful men. They had a heated meeting, a very heated conversation, the 67-year-old told AP, but Zelenskyy was defending Ukraine's interests. Vasiliev criticized Trump for what he said was a failure to recognize the human cost of Russia's invasion, saying the US president doesn't understand that people are dying, that cities are being destroyed, people are suffering, mothers, children, soldiers. He cannot understand this. He's just a businessman. For him, money is sacred, he said.